Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and I'm going to make a card using Darcy's Harang Home stamp set that is called Get Well Wishes. I'm going to make a Get Well card and just stamp it with my Memento ink. Two of the cute figures that come in the stamp set, that is a bottle of medicine and a pill, and I am going to color them with my copy markers. Not doing any um, difficult coloring, just one color mostly in each place. I'm going to use this orange, light blue for the white part, and a little bit of gray in the cap. I don't know why, but I didn't like the way that I color the cheeks, and then I cover them with my pastel chalks, like these ones better. After I finish color on the stamp, the figures, the pill and the bottle, I'm going to cut them with my scissors, and I'm going to glue them to panel that is smaller than the card. This panel I cut it from pattern paper is because I'm thinking at the same time, right, doing something. It's come from the pattern paper is from my favorite things. It's called graphic grid, and I grab the color like teal, and I'm going to stamp the legs and the arms of the pill because I cut them off when I got the with my scissors. After I finish the stamping the pill again, just for the hands and legs, I'm going to make a shadow under the pill and the medicine bottle, to that way they don't look they are floating. And after that, I'm going to glue them on the paper. I die cut piece of paper smaller than the card to put it inside the card, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment, and also I'm going to stamp different things like medicine things, like a thermometer, peel, band-aid, and some other stuff around the sentiment. I'm going to color them with my copy markers, and that's going to be inside of the card. This is a thinner paper, is not that thick than the card base. When I'm finished to putting a little bit of color in the inside of the car, I'm just going to glue it on, and after that I'm going to work in the outside the car. Using these scallops die cut from my favorite things, I think. Yeah, I think my favorite things. I'm going to cut this piece of orange paper cardstock, and I'm going to put it around the car like a frame, and after that I'm going to glue the panel that I previously made. With this scallop circle and these other circle die cuts, I'm going to cut the scallops in black and the circle in white. I'm going just around with my pencil, and after that I'm going to stamp the sentiment, and I'm going to cut it, and after that I'm going to add wing costella to the scallop black circle and glue the white on it. This is going to be glued on in a corner in the front of the car. After it's finished, I just measure where the glue goes, and I just add the glue in the parts that are going to contact the paper, and I like I said before, I glue it on the corner of the car. After that, I'm going to grab my jewels, and I'm going to glue in teal and in orange around the car, and that will be it. This is my car for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next car. Goodbye.